Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I check if my olives are ready for harvest and how I care for them during the ripening stage. It's one of the most exciting parts of the season. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nora and we do daily videos talking about gardening, taking care of indoor and outdoor gardens, as well as chicken keeping and quail keeping. So if this is something that interests you, go ahead and click on the bell icon in order to be informed whenever we post a new video and subscribe to the channel. So how do you know when your olives are ready to harvest? First, it actually depends on what kind of olives you're growing and what you want them for. Green olives are harvested early and black olives are harvested later on. But here's what I look for. So here's the top signs I look for when it comes to olives being ready for harvest. So green olives need to be firm, full size, and matte skin. If you have black olives, they need to show a deep purple to black color. They need to be slightly soft and full of color. Color change, you need to look for a bluish of purple or brown. So that what that means is they're entering the ripening stage. And also, in terms of the feel as well, you can go ahead and lightly squeeze. This should give you just a little bit of a clue. So if they are too hard, it means they're underripe. And if they are too soft, it means that they are overripe. So for table olives, I like to pick them when they're halfway between green and black. So they're still firm, but starting to ripen. For olives that I would like to use for oil, we usually wait a little bit longer. So in order to help your olives ripen evenly, you need to give the tree the right care during this critical stage. And no, it's not about dumping fertilizer on it. So here are some exact strategies I do in order to help olives ripen easily, faster, and with no problems. First of all, we've got sunlight. So I need you to make sure your tree is getting at least 6 hours of full sun. More sun will help with increased ripening. Also, in terms of watering, in late summer, early autumn, just reduce the watering slightly because too much water can cause splitting, and that's something that you don't need. In terms of pruning, you're going to go ahead and do a really light pruning before ripening. What that does is it really helps with airflow and sun reach the fruit as well, especially important for backyard trees and also with the areas that you pruned. If you've got a bit of really good cuttings, you could also be able to propagate them in soil or in water. In terms of the soil, no nitrogen fertilizers right now. Please keep away from nitrogen. I want you to focus on potassium and calcium, the healthy ripening and skin firmness. And my trick is I give a fineless compost tea feed rich in potassium in late summer. And then I just simply let nature take over and do the rest. Now, I get asked all the time, can you just eat them straight off the tree? And the answer is no. Raw olives are super bitter because of a compound called olivine. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And this is why we cure them. But the best way to test for ripeness is actually through visual and touch, not taste. So here's a quick, summary, a quick check you need to do. If they're fully black, they're best for oil. If they're partly red or purple, they are great for brining. And if they're still green, it's good for early harvest pickling. And when you are ready to harvest, pick by hand if possible. And this is the gentlest way. Shake harvesting is fine for large scale, but bruising matters if you're curing for table use. So here's the best time to harvest. Morning or late afternoon is best because it really helps to avoid sun-heated fruit. Also during dry weather in order to prevent mold or bruises, and you could always use a basket, not a plastic bucket, to keep fruits from sweating. And also try to harvest all at once if your tree is small, or you can also do it in waves if you're aiming for different ripeness levels and different purposes of using the olives. Every olive harvest feels like a blessing. These trees take years to mature, but when they give, wow, they give you a lot. And whether you are making oil, pickling, or just admiring their beauty, the care you give them really shows in the fruit. So here's a quick recap. You watch for color change or firmness, you ease off the watering, you give good sun, and you harvest gently with intention. And let's not forget, my secret trick is to give them compost tea right before ripening. So if this has helped you or inspired you, give it a thumbs up. Let me know how you like your olives, brine, dry cured, or turn into lovely golden oil. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have an amazing, great day. All the best.